Hello and welcome to my another video. Our today's topic is how to get rid of wrinkles naturally, a 7-day skincare guide. So let's get straight to it. Are you tired of expensive creams and treatments failing to reduce wrinkles? Sun exposure is responsible for 80% of skin aging, and many people ignore this critical factor. Recent research reveals that natural wrinkle prevention is achievable through diet, sleep, and natural ingredients. Following healthy eating habits can lead to fewer wrinkles, while ingredients like aloe vera can significantly improve skin within 90 days. Quality sleep is crucial. Good sleepers score much better in skin aging assessments compared to poor sleepers. We've developed a comprehensive 7-day guide to help you eliminate wrinkles naturally, focusing on effective and simple solutions for forehead lines and restoring skin's youthfulness. Understanding wrinkles is essential. They often emerge from two types: dynamic, caused by facial expressions, and static, resulting from collagen breakdown over time. Dynamic wrinkles respond well to hydration and relaxation techniques. In contrast, static wrinkles often require collagen-boosting remedies. Several environmental factors contribute to skin aging. UV radiation, air pollution, sleep deprivation, smoking, and stress all significantly speed up the aging process. Science shows how various natural remedies target these damaged pathways effectively. Natural remedies work by enhancing cell health through specific biological mechanisms. Oils like jojoba and rosehip penetrate the skin, restoring moisture and strength. Antioxidants, such as vitamin C from green tea, combat free radicals, while botanical acids from fruits gently exfoliate skin. Plant compounds in aloe vera help boost collagen production. In the next 7 days, you'll learn how to integrate these scientific principles using natural ingredients that effectively reduce wrinkles. Start with day 1, hydration and cleansing. Proper hydration and cleansing serve as the foundation of your anti-aging routine. Your morning cleansing should be gentle, while natural toners balance pH. Lock in moisture with pure aloe vera gel. Day 2 focuses on nourishing your skin with natural oils, tailored to your skin type, whether it's dry, normal, or oily. Application techniques matter. Use pressing movements instead of rubbing, allowing oils to soak in without clogging pores. On day 3, powerful plant-based antioxidants enter the scene. Vitamin C in the morning starts the day with a boost to your collagen. Evening treatments featuring vitamin E help repair skin aggressively. And day 4 is all about natural exfoliation and cell renewal. Exfoliants from your kitchen, such as rice powder, oatmeal, and fruit enzymes, remove dead skin cells. After exfoliation, soothe skin with aloe or a yogurt cucumber blend. By day 5, we target collagen-boosting foods and topical masks. Bone broth, citrus fruits, and leafy greens fuel your skin from the inside out. DIY masks like an egg white mask or avocado honey blend enhance skin elasticity. Day 6 introduces facial massage and circulation techniques, enhancing the effectiveness of your routine. Simple morning exercises and using specific tools like jade rollers target areas prone to wrinkles while improving blood flow. Finally, Day 7 encourages creating a sustainable anti-aging routine. Combine daily hydration and cleansing, facial massages, and twice-weekly masks into a relaxed routine that fits your lifestyle. Capture your progress by taking weekly photos consistently. Review which treatments work best and adjust as necessary, remembering that consistency and prevention lead to lasting results. Take control of your skincare journey with these natural remedies. Embrace the power of informed choices and see your skin transform. Start your natural anti-aging experience today. Your skin will thank you. Each small step leads to smoother, younger-looking skin. Discover the change. Follow our 7-day guide to restore your natural glow. Remember, it's never too late to begin your journey towards healthier skin. Act now.